Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of carpet cleaning with a spotlight on the best little green machine parts available in the market. If you're in need of a replacement brush tool for your Bissell little green upright and portable carpet cleaners, you're in the right place. Introducing the 1400B Little Green 3 Tough Stain Brush Tool Replacement by Tivcroxs. This little gem is a game changer when it comes to tackling tough stains and keeping your carpets looking fresh and clean.
Now, let's talk compatibility.
This brush tool is designed to fit perfectly with a range of Bissell little green models, including the 1844, 1400W, 1425, and many more.
Plus, it comes with 2 replacement brushes, ensuring you have everything you need for a thorough clean.
What sets this brush tool apart is its premium quality construction. Made of durable plastic and rubber materials, you can trust that it's built to last.
Plus, installation is a breeze, no tools required.
Simply insert the vacuum wand or hose, and you're good to go. But what really makes this brush tool shine is its all-round cleaning capabilities. Whether you're tackling stairs, furniture, or other hard-to-reach surfaces, this tool has you covered. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a cleaner, fresher home. So there you have it, folks, the best little green machine part on the market. Say hello to hassle-free cleaning and goodbye to stubborn stains. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your cleaning routine. Get your hands on the 1400B Little Green 3 Tough Stain Brush Tool Replacement by Tivcroxs today.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more reviews just like this one.
Until next time, happy cleaning!